Have you ever wondered why skyscrapers don't collapse under their own weight? Or how bridges safely carry thousands of vehicles every day? The answer lies in structural engineering. Structural engineering. What is it and what does it involve? Structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering that focuses on designing safe, stable, and durable structures, capable of resisting different types of loads throughout their service life. This includes buildings, bridges, industrial structures, transmission towers, and stadiums. What does a structural engineer do? They are responsible for designing, calculating, and inspecting. From checking structural drawings and performing complex calculations, to reviewing steel and concrete structures on site to ensure safety. Every structure must safely resist different forces, such as compression, tension, shear, bending, and torsion. Without structural engineering, modern cities, bridges, airports, and high-rise buildings could not exist safely. In the next lesson, we'll learn about the different types of structural loads, including dead loads, live loads, wind loads, and earthquake loads.